Welcome back. Today let us learn the concept of depreciation. So basically, how do we charge depreciation? We charge depreciation on the value of asset. So we'll have an asset of worth rupees 20 lakhs, and if the rate of depreciation is 10 percentage, and we charge 10 percentage on the value of asset, and we claim the depreciation. But under income tax, what do we do is we have block of asset. What is this block of asset? This block of asset is where we group a block of assets. In the sense, we pool certain assets into under one block. So let us learn what is this block of asset. In the case of any block of asset, at such percentage of the written down value of the block as may be prescribed by Rule 5.1. Yes. So the rate of depreciation for each block of asset would be provided by the income tax authority. Okay. Next, let us learn what is block of asset. What does it mean by a block of asset? It is defined under section 211 as a group of asset falling within a class of asset comprising of. So block of asset is nothing but a group of asset. Yes, where we group many individuals are grouped into one. So as a group of asset falling within a class of asset comprising of, first we have tangible asset and next we have intangible asset. So these are the major two blocks that we have. So what will the assets would be there under tangible asset? We have buildings, machinery, plant or furniture. So all these building, machinery, plant or furniture are into tangible assets. And under intangible assets we have know-how, patents, copyrights, trademarks, license, franchises. So what do you mean by know-hows? It's the technical knowledge that a company possesses regarding any production process or the process. And next you have patents, the copyrights that the company possesses, the trademarks, the licenses that they have got so far, and the franchises and the money that they receive out of the franchises. So all these are considered as asset, and or any other business or commercial rights of similar nature, which is of similar nature, is also considered as intangible assets, not being goodwill of a business or profession. So intangible assets includes know-how, patents, copyrights, trademarks, license, franchises, or any other business or commercial rights of similar nature, but it doesn't include the goodwill that a business or profession possesses, in respect of which the same percentage of depreciation is prescribed. So you can group assets into one block of asset only when the same rate of depreciation is charged. In simple words, if we have to say what is block of asset simply means a same class of asset with same rate of depreciation. So to group assets into one block of asset, you should satisfy these two conditions. The first condition is that the asset should be of same nature, and second condition is that the rate of depreciation that is charged on that particular block of asset, it should be same. Only then the asset could be grouped together. Let us take an example where a business is owning three buildings. Okay, building 1 is worth of rupees 10 lakh, and building 2 is worth of rupees 20 lakh, and building 3 is worth of rupees 30 lakh. So we have a building worth of 10 lakh and another building worth of 20 lakh and another building worth of 30 lakh. So it is not necessary that we should charge depreciation on the first building, say 10 lakh. If the depreciation is charged at 10 percentage, calculating 10 percentage on 1 lakh, sorry 10 lakh, and charging 10 percentage on 20 lakh, and charging 10 percentage on third building worth rupees 30 lakh. It is not necessary that we should charge the depreciation individually. Better what we could do is we could make all these three buildings into one block of asset, so that the value would be total to 60 lakhs, and 10 percentage of depreciation could be charged on this 60 lakh. So this is how we group the asset into one block of asset, where here the two conditions are satisfied. Yes, all the asset are of same nature. Yes, all are buildings, so you could group together, and the rate of depreciation that is charged on these asset are same. Yes, it is 10 percentage of depreciation and the same rate of depreciation is charged over all these assets. If suppose the business that is owning these three buildings is also owning a plant and machinery that is worth of rupees 20 lakhs. Okay, you have these three buildings, along with this another plant and machinery worth of rupees 20 lakhs is there. In such case, you cannot group all these four assets into one block of assets. Why? Because the building is different and plant and machinery is different. Yes, the nature of these assets are different, and so you cannot club it together and call it as one block of asset. And next condition, where the rate of depreciation that is charged for building is different from plant and machinery, and so you cannot club together. So when these two conditions are not met, you cannot pull the asset into one block of asset and calculate depreciation. Yes, let us revise the concept. So we have only two condition to climb under block of asset. First condition is that the asset should be of same nature, and the second condition is that the rate of depreciation that is charged on that asset should be same. Thank you.